Looking to join the Landbank team? Here's your foolproof guide to applying. First, navigate to the Landbank's careers portal and check out the job opportunities section. You can also find listings on popular South African job boards like Career Junction and My Job Mag. Next, pick a job that suits you and read the full job description. Make sure your skills and experience match the requirements. Got a match? Great! Now get your documents ready. You'll need an updated CV tailored to the job, a cover letter if you want to stand out, and any relevant certificates or licenses. Ready to apply? Hit that Apply Now button on the Careers portal. Fill out the application form with your personal details, education, work experience, and skills. Upload your CV and other documents. Review everything carefully and submit. Now sit back and relax. You'll get a confirmation email once your application is in. Keep an eye on your inbox for any updates or interview invites.